Not in the face. Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing. Today I'm checking out the M416 electric toy gun. These are science and education model. This features USB charger, rechargeable battery, high-speed launch. Basically shoots like little Orbeez. I'm really excited to check this out. All right, so in the bag we have this charger, which is a clip also. I mean, it looks like a magazine, but it's the charger. The USB cable, when it's fully charged, the light will go out when you charge it initially. A red light will be on there while it is charging. And then in here we have these little water absorbent bullets. There's 500 of those little guys in there. And then we have like a little suppressor thing and another device so we can put our magazine or hopper of bullets up there. Okay, here we have more. There's like it says there's 40,000 of these. I'm not gonna count them all, I'm just gonna take their word for it. There are a lot of them, and look at these things. It's like they're alive in there, just like dancing around, ready to get out. That's pretty cool. The hopper for these bullets is a grenade. That's pretty sweet. It comes with a nice little funnel here so we can pour our beads in there and not lose them. That's nice. Comes some glasses for eye protection. Very important whenever you play any kind of game or something where your eyes could be damaged. Make sure you wear eye protection. So that's a nice little bonus there. And then of course the gun here, which looks like absolutely cool. I mean, just look at that. It's got like a metallic blue on there. It looks really neat. I think that's a pretty sweet looking gun. All right, so to get this thing going here, we put our magazine in there, or our battery just goes up into the bottom. If you want to release it, it has this little button here so you can pull out your battery. So that's really cool. It just clips in there. Okay, to put this on, it's going to slide in from this direction from the front of the gun towards the rear, and it's going to be a little bit tight. You'll see there the hole has to be aligned, so you want to make sure that when you it's going to take a little bit of effort, but just it's not going to break, and that slides into place. This allows you to put our hopper on here just like that when it's full, and we can fire off some rounds here. Okay, so let's get this on there. It's not... Alrighty. Apparently it's not charged up yet. I'm going to go ahead and fill up the hopper. These bullets take a little bit of time to fully expand. So you pour the little beads in here, add some... For cold water, it takes about 180 minutes for them to expand all the way, and you can use warmer water, it takes about 60 minutes. So you look about an hour of time to get your things expanded. I think you can put them in a bowl of hot water and you get more if you want to have more ammunition ready. Okay, so let's go do that, and let's have some fun. Okay, so I poured some in there and added some water. So I'm really don't want to wait for these things to expand, but I have to. Pretty excited to watch the kids check these out, but yeah, I guess they expand to, already they're expanding. Look at that. So I used a little bit warmer water here because I didn't want to wait. So we'll see. These things are supposed to be like not staining. They won't stain you when they hit. Yeah, I'm all right. Okay guys, so it's been about an hour, and I got my little grenade hopper here. It's full, pretty much just filled up there. I just put just a few down there in the bottom. To get the water out, I just put my fingers over there like that, turn it upside down over the sink, drain it all out. To put this in there, you want to just turn your gun upside down and just screw that in there just like that. And then, ready for some action. I'm going to take this outside and let the boys have some fun together, and also I want to go do some speed tests on it. I mean, let's just, should we? Just like one shot maybe. I mean, these things are super fast. I didn't even see that. That was crazy. All right, let's go outside.
Wait.
All right, so.
Wait, Dad.
What?
Okay, wait, hold on.
Dude, not in the face.
I'm not.
Okay. Ow. Okay.
Wait, I have a question.
Okay.
Do they fit in here?
They feed in there. This thing's awesome. Look at the speed here, guys. Look at the fence over there.
Hold down. Hold down.
I don't want to waste all my bullets. Look at these things. This is like, dude. Ow. Ow. Am I hitting you? Okay. All right. We can't use all the bullets. These things are so awesome.
I barely even used a little bit, Dad. Take off your sweatshirt. No.
Wait, I'm the cameraman. Holy cow, no. Ow. Not in the face.
You're I'm not.
Hey, whoa! Hey! He's got cover! He's got cover! Dude! Hey! Ow. Dude, these things shoot so far. You can't even see how fast they're going. They're like crazy though. They're going all the way across over there. Whoa! Hey! You gotta hold your gun upright. Hey! It's alright. It'll just push it on the end there. You need this. No. Yes.
I'm gonna do it without the barrel on, but I don't think it changes anything. Wait.
Wait.
Oh, that's the range.
Whoa! Aim lower, guys.
Yeah, what's the range like?
Dude.
I think no, this is farther.
I think it shoots farther with the suppressor on there.
Dude, you have like thick pockets. No, that's like you're shooting my wallet. Okay,
Wait. Why am I getting shot? The cameraman. Hey, what?
That's not fair.
Things are so. No. Dude, these things are awesome. You're gonna run out of bullets. Oh man. Not in the face.
Oh no!
He's out. He's out. Okay. Oh, he's not out. Ow.
Oh no!
No, he's out. He's out. Oh man, these things are cool. Hey, yo. All right, let's get a gun view here. Whoa, you're pointing at my face here. Yeah, that's the gun cam. All right, run. Run. Yeah. Now who's the cameraman? Get a little payback. This thing's, how far does it shoot? Does it go all the way to the fence?
Yeah, it goes way past the fence.
Dude, that hits like all the way to the fence. If you guys can see those going out there. This is so cool.
Looking good. It's out.
Like so. All right.
Out.
Hey. Okay, all right, guys. Thanks for watching. These things are awesome.
Oh, I'm out.
He's out. He's out. Oh, he's not out. Ow.
Oh, no.
No, he's out. He's out. He's out. Oh man, these things are cool. Hey, yo. All right, let's get a gun view here. Whoa, you're pointing at my face here. Yeah, that's the gun cam. All right, run. Run. Yeah. Now who's the cameraman? Gets a little payback. This thing's, how far does it shoot? Does it go all the way to the fence?
Yeah, it goes way past the fence.
Dude, that hits like all the way to the fence. If you guys can see those going out there. This is so cool.
Looking good. It's out.
Like so. All right.
Out.
Hey.
Okay,
All right, guys. Thanks for watching. These things are awesome.